So here you go, rolling along. CNC group break number 965. We're on to 11-12 Contenders and a Rookie Anthology. So let's hope we got a booklet in here. Or a patchy patch. And we've got base. We've got a rookie to $9.99 for the Montreal Canadiens, Frederic Saint-Denis. And base. We've got a redemption. Hey, we got the booklet. We've got a redemption for a Contenders Matchups booklet quad autograph, which will be randomed between the St. Louis Blues and Columbus Blue Jackets. Alex Pietrangelo, John Moore, Ryan Johansson, TJ Oshie. So there we go. That'll be a fun random. Base. Base. Cup Contenders, the $9.99 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby. That Crosby guy, he's everywhere. Jeez. Sure we're going to get sick of seeing him. Base. Still think we're waiting on 2 autos here. There's one NHL ink for the Washington Capitals, Cody Eakin. Base. Rookie to $9.99 for the Florida Panthers, Hugh Jessman. Hugh the Specimen Jessman. Base. Base. More base. We got a rookie auto, number to 800 for the Montreal Canadiens, Alexei Emelin. And final pack is a Cup Contenders, the $9.99 for the Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price. Alright, it's on to the Rookie Anthology. Alright. We start with a Contenders rookie to $9.99 for the Edmonton Oilers, Anton Lander. We've got a Pinnacle rookie autograph for the Philadelphia Flyers, Harry Zolnierchuk. Pinnacle rookie auto. Harry Zolnierchuk. We've got a draft year dual jersey, which is going to be randomed between the Canadiens and Red Wings, Yaroslav Halak and Jimmy Howard. Yaro Halak, Jimmy Howard. Crown Royal rookie for the Anaheim Ducks, Eero Tarkey. Pinnacle rookie for the Dallas Stars, Jordy Ben. We've got a Rookie Treasures, dual jersey and autograph, number to 499 for the Chicago Blackhawks. Marcus Kruger. Pinnacle Rookie for the Buffalo Sabres, Braden McNabb. We've got a certified freshman signatures for the Chicago Blackhawks, Jimmy Hayes. Pinnacle Rookie for the Vancouver Canucks, Zach Kassian. And we got a Pinnacle Rookie for the Chicago Blackhawks, Andrew Shaw. And now for the Tapa. It is a luxury suite, jersey and stick for the Colorado Avalanche, Milan Hajduk. Couldn't get the camera to focus there. Oh well. All right, coming up next, titanium case.